one of the pretty spectacular things I noticed about the plaintiffs in this case, it's an alliance of Muslim, Christian, and Jewish parents. And they're arguing that the absence of the opt-out option for such materials infringes on their First Amendment right to freely express and exercise their religion. You, of course, listened to these oral arguments. Can you tell us what you saw, what you heard more so, and what you expect the ruling to be?
Yeah, so you're right. These parents who used to be able to opt out of this Pride Storybook collection, the school district said, no, too many of you are opting out. It's a real problem for us. So now we're going to take the opt out away. And they lost in the Fourth Circuit. And so, yes, the Supreme Court just heard that case. It was fascinating. I'm going to say, first of all, Riley, it was kind of vindicating to hear the Supreme Court justices, really just incredulous. Justice Roberts could not believe the content that was in the books. Now, why would the school district not allow opt outs? There was Justice Barrett brought up, there's a difference between exposure and coercion. And so you're not allowing these opt-outs and then you're saying, are you saying some people believe X and some people believe Y and people think different things? Or are you saying some people believe X and some people believe Y? And if you don't believe X, you're a hateful bigot. And that was actually what was said to some of the Muslim parents in this case by the school district in the lower courts. They compared the Muslim parents to the KKK or a hate group. And so just this real disdain for the parents' concern. I thought one of the most telling moments was Justice Kagan, Riley. She said that she imagined that parents might have an issue with these books, not just based on their religion solely, but just the age appropriateness of the content. I thought that was really telling. So I think that the parents have a really good chance of winning in this case. I would love to see a 7-2 ruling. Maybe we can get Kagan with us, and it would just be Sotomayor and Jackson who, are not in favor of allowing the opt-out. But there's no doubt that this case is going to be very important for the future of parental rights and education. And I just remind every parent that your parental rights do not stop at the classroom door.